So guys, do you know how to apply the perfect eyeliner according to your eye shape? If you are unsure which style suits you, this video is for you. I will go over easy quick techniques for applying eyeliner. So if you are new here, my name is Sarish and I make videos on makeup tips and tricks. So let's get started guys. So guys, before starting any eye makeup, you need to prep your eyelids. So the first eyeliner is the barely there liner. To create a natural barely there definition along your lash line, use a long wear brown gel pencil. Before applying, soften the tip by wrapping it in a tissue and rubbing gently. This warms it up and making it glide on smoothly. To apply, take the pencil and press it directly into the roots of your lashes without drawing a solid line. Make small dots along the lash line, leaving tiny gaps in between. This technique gives a defined look without a thick line. Then take a small brush and gently press it along the lash line, moving side to side to blend the dots softly into the lashes. This technique suits all eye shapes, including hooded eyes, since you are working directly on the lash line and not the lid. So guys, if I am talking about the gel pencils work well because they allow you to apply color very close to the root of your lashes without looking like you are wearing eyeliner. So guys, if you want, you can make a small wing just using the brush that I already used. So you don't need to use more product. Even there is no prominent eyeliner, still my eye look defined and look beautiful. Let's move on the other eyeliner technique. This style is great for downturned small and hooded eyes. Instead of working into the lash root, hold the eyeliner pencil slightly above them using the side of the tip rather than the point. Work in small sections, pressing lightly into the lash line at a slight angle for control. Stop slightly above the inner corner to leave a tiny gap which help create a lifted look. So guys, as you reach the outer corner, gradually lift the pencil to create a faded fine wing. The result is an ultra sleek wing that lifts your eye without looking heavy. So guys, as you can see, I didn't make the wing on the outer corner. I make the wing little bit before the outer corner. This is the techniques. So let's create the feline wing. This style keep the thickness consistent along the lash line but extend the wing upward at the outer corner for a feline effect. Begin by creating a feline along the lashes similar to the classic wing. Once you reach the outer corner, angle the wing more sharply upwards. To make the wing ultra sharp, slightly squint and focus on filling in the dip at the outer edge. This feline wing is dramatic and ideal for adding extra lift to the eyes. Let's move on the next technique, and this is V-line eyeliner. V-line eyeliner is perfect for adding definition while lifting the eyes. Start by applying eyeliner along the upper lash line as usual, then extend the line outwards and slightly upwards, creating a subtle V shape at the outer corner. Focus on keeping the V thin and angled for a more natural lift. This technique works well for hooded eyes and any eye shape needing a gentle lift without heavy lining on the eyelids. Now these techniques are the modern techniques that I am going to share with you. Tightening with black eyeliner is ideal for more defined lash lines. Instead of lining the lid, applying the liner right under the lashes on the waterline. You can create a small wink on the outer corner You just need to put a small dot on the outer corner and just blend it here. And that's the look. You can clearly see the difference between my both eyes. This is the last technique, and this is also a modern way of applying eyeliner. You just need to apply a very thin line along your lash line with a gel eyeliner, similar to the first method. For a sharp wing, place a small piece of tape at the outer corner of your eye, then apply a soft wing line, blending it slightly with a small brush. This look is versatile for all eye shape, including round eyes. I have round eyes, so I mostly prefer to apply eyeliner with brushes or with using eyeshadows. So guys, these techniques can transform your eyeliner game whether you have hooded, almond or round eyes. I hope you enjoyed this video and found these tips helpful. You can follow me on TikTok, Instagram and YouTube. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Love you all.